Okay, if you have this kind of toilet, the Mansfield flush tower, and then when you pull the handle, it's hard to flush. This is how you're gonna fix it. Okay, you're gonna need this part, model number 6300030 to 10 to 11 flush tower. This is like a rubber ring that goes right here at the bottom. That is the problem. It gets all in a kind of like this tower thing sticks inside on the bottom. So what you're gonna do is right here, this part, you're gonna unscrew this part. Okay, take this up out, move it on the side. We're going to stop the water. This is done quick, but I'm just going to stop the water, so I'm not going to waste water. I'm going to flush. Should flush before, but you see how it's sticky. Then you're going to remove this thing, okay? I'm going to remove this towel. Gonna put it on the side. Okay. I lose this one right here just a little bit, so this one can move. So then what you're gonna do is just reach down and you're gonna grab this ring. You see this ring? With time it gets all in a it gets kind of like a shape like this. That's why the tower gets stuck right here. The new ones are flat, totally flat. Okay, so I'm gonna open this one down here. Okay, as you can see, these things are flat, and the old one is not flat anymore. You can tell, but this is the problem. You just need to order this part, and you're gonna put it inside. Inside this thing, the flush master. There's gonna be like a space right here, okay, where you have to put the new one. So then we're gonna put the new one here. So you have to make sure it goes. You see, it goes a little bit inside on the first. There's like a thread. So you're gonna put it right here. Okay, I'm gonna have to put my phone down for a little bit again because I already put the orange thing down, this orange ring, and just make sure it's sitting right. Just spin it around, okay? And then we're going to put the towel back again, like that. You're going to put this thing inside. This one you can take out this hose and just thread this one. This is easier. Just put this back inside and put the hose again. That's it. And then we're going to tap the handle. And tap the handle a little more. And there you go. Look at that. That's supposed to be like this. Like nice and smooth. And that's how you fix this Mansfield system, okay? It's like a tower system, that's what they call it. But yeah, that ring is the problem. I think my camera got wet, it's not looking really good anymore. Oh, I lose focus. Okay, now it's focused. Okay, but yeah, that's how you fix it. Okay, please like my video and subscribe, please. Thank you.